Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing very well. So today the first topic is gonna be CEDAW. The first thing that we need to know is what is CEDAW, what is the full form of CEDAW, when it came into effect and when it has been ratified, how many countries and have ratified it and so on. The first thing is that CEDAW's full form is Convention on Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women. This is one of the most important human rights convention which is solely focused to protect the woman and any kind of discriminations to be eliminated from the life of a woman in each and every aspect. It was actually adopted by the United Nations General Assembly in the year 1979, and 1 year later, that is in 1981, it was actually came into effect. During this time, 189 countries in the world has ratified and signed the convention. Now, India is also one of those countries which has signed the conventions, and India has signed it in the year of 1980, and 3 years later, that is in 1983, it has actually adopted and ratified the convention in its own national statute. So what is important about CEDAW? CEDAW is one of the first or most important essential conventions in the international sphere which is actually binding in nature. It is not just like an advisory body or advisory convention or document. It is actually having a binding nature over the states which are signing the convention and ratifying it. That means whichever countries is ratifying the convention, they have to put the provisions of CEDAW into their national legal framework. So India has done the same. Let me give you one example. If you, how many of you have heard about the POSH Act? POSH means the Protection of Women from Sexual Harassment at Workplace Act, which is preventive in nature, which is punishable in nature, and also which also gives you the redressal from these kind of you can say the offenses of sexual in nature. So POSH Act is, you can say it's a byproduct of CEDAW. So when it was there was a case Vishaka versus state of Rajasthan. When it came before the Supreme Court, it actually ratified, or you can say it is interpreted, that convention along with other conventions in the international sphere, and also made a proper guideline to protect women from these kind of sexual harassment at workplace. So that is all about CEDAW. I hope it is very clear to you. Thank you so much.